I'm going to try to show you how to use Webassign's graphing tool here. We are supposed to sketch the graph of the equation, identify any intercepts, and test for symmetry. I want to plot the intercepts, then I'll plot the graph. So to start with intercepts, how do I plot y-intercepts? Well, y-intercepts are places where you cross the y-axis, right? Well, what's true about points on the y-axis? Well, the x value is 0. So if x were 0, we'd be solving this equation. I'll get the 16 over on the other side. So 16 equals y squared. Now I have to take the square root. Of course, the square root of 16 is 4. Because it's a square, that means y can either equal plus or minus 4. That means I have two y-intercepts. One is 0, negative 4. One is 0, 4. X-intercepts, same deal. They are points where you are on the x-axis. That means the height of y is 0. So I'm going to plug in a 0 for y. Well, if I plug in a 0 for y, 0 squared of course is 0. So we get 0 minus 16. The x value of course then is negative 16. And the intercept is negative 16, comma 0. Those are my three intercepts. I'm going to plot those points now up here. I'll switch windows. I'll go to the dot. I'll put a dot at negative 16, 0. I'll put a dot at 0, comma 4. Notice here's 0, comma 3, 0, comma 2. I need 0, comma 4. Need a dot at 0, comma negative 4. Now I'm going to take a parabola. It's got to be a horizontal parabola to go through those points. I'll click on the vertex. I'll click on a point. Notice how my parabola is going through those. Submit my answer. And that's correct.